Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shivani Rathore and today we're going to discuss about the drug that has been approved in India for the management of COVID-19, the pandemic. So the drug is approved by Drug Controller General of India, that is DCGI, and the drug is 2D-glucose. So we all know about glucose, but what is 2D-glucose? Let's just talk about it. So first, let's just quickly summarize what is glucose. So basically glucose is a energy source for our body, major energy source for our body. It is a simple sugar, regular simple sugar. It is a monosaccharide, also known as hexose. So when glucose enter into the cell, it gets converted into glucose 6-phosphate and further by various process it forms ATP with the help of oxygen. So ATP is an energy currency for our cell to survive. Now let's just compare a healthy cell and a cell infected by the virus. So the viral infected cell is more active because the virus gets replicated inside the cell with our own machinery. So the cell need more and more of glucose and energy. So the cell will take more and more glucose, and here comes the role of 2D-glucose. So the 2D-glucose, basically it is an analog of glucose. It will act as a pseudo-glucose molecule. So when it will enter the cell, it will not generate ATP. It cannot generate ATP. It cannot go into the glycolysis and further cycles to generate ATP. So if the ATP is not generated, then the cell eventually will die, and also this event will decrease the significant replication of virus and hence decreases the viral load in the cell and hence in the body. Now let's talk about the outcome of the drug. So there are two major outcomes of the drug. First, it will decrease the viral replication and hence the viral load. Also, it will decrease the further inflammation, which is the major culprit of the disease. Second, it also reduces the oxygen dependency of the patient. Primary data of phase 3 trial of the drug have shown that by day 3 of consuming the drug, there has been significant reduction in the oxygen consumption by the patient. The reduction is about 42%, which is amazing. So how the drug reduces the oxygen demand of the patient, let's talk about it. So in the beginning of the video, I've discussed about the ATP formation. ATP formation needs oxygen, and we know that viral infected cell is active cell. It produces ATP much faster than the normal cells. So it also consumes much oxygen. So that's how patient land up into the oxygen deficit state. So the drug, what the drug do? Drug decrease the ATP formation and hence decreases the oxygen consumption. So aiding in oxygen reduction of the patient. When the oxygen dependency of the patient is reduced, it also fastens the clinical recovery. Suppose the patient is taking 7 days to recover. After consuming the drug, he will recover in 4 to 5 days. According to the DRDO, which has developed the drug is only given to the hospitalized patient with moderate to severe form of disease. Also, it cannot be used as a single drug for the treatment of COVID-19. It is always used as an adjuvant drug, as a supportive drug. What is the formulation of drug? So the drug comes in a powder form, which is dissolved in water and taken orally like a normal glucose. It is taken twice a day, first dose in the morning, empty stomach, and second dose in the evening, also empty stomach. And one thing I wanna mention here, that never take any drug without your doctor's prescription. Never take any drug. And this drug will also be taken in supervision and when your doctor will prescribe the drug. It may have potential side effects which you don't know. But according to the DRDO, it is the safest drug of COVID-19 treatment. Also, I would like to discuss about the confusion that people have for the drug and vaccination. If there is a drug for the treatment of COVID-19, then why we should get vaccinated? Vaccine is a preventable measure, it is a prophylactic to disease, but the drug is a therapeutic measure that it can treat the disease, but it cannot prevent the disease so far. So please get yourself vaccinated. Trust the government, trust our doctor. Please get vaccinated. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope that you got all the information about the drug, and I wish everyone a good life, and stay safe, stay home, get vaccinated. Thank you.